Throughout the campaign, I made a commitment to people of Johannesburg that given opportunity to be the mayor of the city, I will immediately declare corruption public enemy number one. I can show people of Johannesburg I'm not going to steal a cent of their money. In fact, I want to go out and protect their money. Protect it, use it to ensure that you can go out there and provide services, basic services to the poor areas of our city. People of Zandspruit, Alexander, Carsons and so forth. Today in the city of Johannesburg, without toilets, without running water, without electricity. 22 years in our democracy. Is this fair? Absolutely not. 800,000 of our residents, fellow residents, are unemployed today, 1 in 3. We need the money for the city to create an enabling environment, working with the private sector, particularly small businesses, so that we can provide employment opportunities to our people. So I'm excited with this opportunity. I think people of Johannesburg, the voters, can be great of the decision that they've taken, because I think if you look at the ANC government, how it has abused our people over many years, taking our people for granted. So the voters ultimately said enough is enough. So we're no longer prepared to give powers to one government. So the beauty of this, and the difficulty at the same time, but I think I'm excited with this, because every time I take a decision, I've got to consult. Because if I don't consult, I'll never get the go-ahead from the other parties. And for me, because delivery is important, so therefore, I'm forced, whether I like it or not, because that is what the voters have said to me. They said, Herman and DA, every time you take a decision, consult other parties. And I'm committing to that. And that's a commitment that I've made to the coalition parties, regardless of their size. We're going to work with them. We're going to work as partners to ensure that we service our people. If Johannesburg works, South Africa will work. There's just no way that the economy of this country can work if Johannesburg does not work. So for me, Johannesburg is the economic engine of this. It's the heartbeat of South Africa. It's the heartbeat of the whole of our continent. So we need to reignite this so that we can get the economy of South Africa working. And I'll work with the private sector, work with my colleagues to ensure that this happens within the next 5 years of my administration.